These curry leaves are so fresh. And some coriander too. Perfect for today's curry. Oh, this rain is so heavy. For this rainy evening, I will make crispy hot Vada Pav for my husband. The potatoes are simmering nicely. They'll be ready soon. Adding the potatoes now. The aroma is so inviting. Stirring well to blend the flavor. Look at these vadas frying so nicely. Now! Patience, little one. They're almost ready. Here, have a taste. This is our famous Vada Pav. So small yet so flavorful. Namaste, uncle. Fresh pav buns?
Namaste, Beti. Yes, just baked.
They smell wonderful. Thank you. Roasting these chilies just right. Cover the vada with the pav. Press gently to assemble the vada pav. It's ready to serve. First, I roast the garlic and peanuts. Ah, the smoky aroma is perfect. Now to grind it all into a lovely chutney.
Ah, my favorite. You always know just what I need.
Here is your Vada Pav with spicy chutney. This Vada Pav is so crunchy and delicious. Let me try this chili. Whoa, it's so spicy.
Whoo! My mouth is on fire.
Here, have some Vada Pav to cool down.